We are walking through the steps to install an Apollo LD or WD-151 Resilient-Seated Butterfly Valve with either a lever or gear operator onto a flat-faced ASME flanged coupling. Before installation, gather your tools and materials, including pipe or flange, butterfly valve, installation tools. Please refer to the written IOM located on our website at any time for additional details on product storage, pressure and temperature ratings, flange and pipe compatibility, complete written instructions. Now begin the valve installation process. Before installing the valve, check to make sure that the pipe flange and valve sealing faces are clean and free from any debris. Butterfly valves should never be installed where service conditions could exceed the valve ratings. The seat sealing face on the LD or WD-151 series butterfly valves is wider than the valve body, providing a leak-proof seal when compressed between pipe flanges. All Apollo Resilient-Seated Butterfly valves are bidirectional, with the ability to control flow equally in either direction. Apollo butterfly valves are designed for use between the faces of ASME 125 and 150 flanges. Center the valve between the flanges and loosely install all the flange bolts. On the WD-151 wafer valve, the flange bolts that pass through the alignment lug should be installed first. Consult the written IOM for correct flange bolt size and quantity. After all flange bolts are fully tightened, cycle the valve from fully open to fully closed to ensure there is proper disc clearance and there is no seat leakage in the fully closed position. Slowly move the valve to the fully open position and back to the fully closed position, ensuring that the disc moves freely without any obstruction. If no obstruction is encountered, return the valve to the fully open position. For this video, we are doing an 8-bolt sequence. Hand tighten all flange bolts using the correct bolt tightening sequence shown in the written IOM. The operating torque expected is illustrated in the written IOM. For complete instructions, head to our website for the written installation, operation, and maintenance documentation.